Welcome to this month's edition of The Real Deal, a real estate market update from a local viewpoint. Now that there is a clear wave of buyer interest and commitment to commitment, it is all important that your agent makes the most of the opportunities and not necessarily a quick deal. As a seller, you don't always know what the right price is for your place. Your opinion may be too high, and right now it may well be too low. Our auction on the 20th of March was testament to this, when 9 properties were sold for approximately $400,000 over the reserve prices. Taking all the right steps along the way, attracting competition, and then making the most of that process will ensure the best possible result. When an agent says, sold in 1 week, is it just me who worries that they probably sold it too cheap? There's no way to know unless it's properly tested and that great offer is put into some context. What was great 6 months ago may well be 5 or even 10% below today's market, translating to perhaps $50,000 in a 1-bedroom or $100,000 plus for a semi. If you have been waiting for a better time to sell, it's arrived. As an investor, we are always talking in terms of return. Gross return is calculated as the rental income as a percentage of the value of the property. Once you factor in all your outgoings, repairs, vacancies, land tax, etc., the net return can sometimes appear tight. So many point to this and say that capital gains may be the only saviour, which have also been minimal in recent years. But it's worth remembering that rents increase too. An apartment bought in 1993 for $150,000 is currently renting for $600 per week. Could that not be seen as a 20% gross return? Not to mention the capital gain would be in excess of $500,000. So the property has paid itself off, is now a $650,000 plus asset, and is earning, yes gross, an income of $30,000 plus per year. One can never overestimate the wealth creation opportunities afforded by investment properties. In the short term, it may be about making ends meet, but over a reasonable measure of time, the numbers will work in your favour enormously. Our property management team understands investment properties and how to grow from one to a portfolio. If you want to grow, please call us anytime to discuss. And we look forward to discussing what this market means for you anytime.